Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sandhya and I do easy and quick Indian recipes on my channel. Do check out my channel and if you like it, please do subscribe, like and share. So I'm doing a series on my channel called Breakfast India where I try breakfast recipes from all over India. So today's episode is number 9 and I'm trying a breakfast recipe from Madhya Pradesh called Indori Poha. It's a poha which is different from the regular varieties. If you wish to see the earlier episodes of this series, I'll leave a link above. Please click on the icon to see the other episodes. The detailed ingredients list for this recipe is available in the description box below. Please do check it out before you start. So let's have a look at the ingredients required for making the Indori Poha. In here, I've got peanuts and a handful of cashew nuts, fennel seeds, mustard seeds, turmeric powder, salt to taste, a pinch of sugar, finely chopped onions, finely chopped green chillies, curry leaves, diced potato. I've taken a medium potato, and here I've got poha which I've soaked for 5 minutes and drained and kept it ready. And for garnish we'll require lime, pomegranate seeds, grated coconut, coriander leaves and a little bit of sage. So let's start preparing the dish. The oil is nice and hot. Let's add in the fennel seeds and the mustard seeds. We'll allow the mustard seeds to splutter and the fennel seeds to give out its aroma. So the mustards have spluttered. Now we'll add in the curry leaves now. Then we'll add in half of the onion. Half of it we save for garnish. And we'll just saute the onions until they change color. We're not going to brown them, just need to saute them until they change into a pinkish color. Once that's done, we'll add in the diced potatoes. Saute it for a while. Saute the potatoes for a few minutes now. Now in goes the green chilies. Peanuts and the cashew. We'll saute this for a few minutes again. At this stage we'll add in the turmeric powder and the salt to taste. Mix well. We'll close this with a lid. Put it on medium flame and allow the potatoes to cook. Potatoes have cooked well. So at this stage we'll add in the poha. And mix it well. I've mixed everything together. Now just check for seasoning and adjust the salt if required. We'll also add in the sugar. I'm going to switch off the gas, close this with a lid and let this sit for 5 to 8 minutes. 5 to 6 minutes, I've opened the lid and the poha is ready. Now let's plate this. Plated the poha into a vessel like this. Now I'm going to add the rest of the onions coriander leaves, grated coconut, pomegranate seeds, I've got some sage here which I'm going to add on top of this. So that's Indori Poha ready. I've kept 2 wedges of lime on top which you can squeeze when you're ready to eat. So Indori Poha is ready. Now please make sure you serve this hot as it tastes best when served hot. I hope you liked today's recipe. If you did, please do try it at home and let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share my channel. Until I see you next time, bye bye.